Yummy? Yummy. Okay. Hi guys. So, I'm with Kiana. And today, we're going to eat Dunkin' Donuts. So, here's the donut that we're going to eat. So, ako muna yung magta-try. And Kiana, on the other hand, is here. Ako muna ang magta-try. Tapos si Kiana naman. This? You want this? Yes? Yummy. Yummy? Ulat-ulat. So, Sarap. So, ang next is, this one. Do you want this Vivica? Choco. This is choco butternut. Yeah. I'm gonna try it first and then Kiana will try it too. Okay. Are you... Pupunta? Sarap. Isa pa. Yummy. Isa pa? Okay, so mag-cook muna kami. Want to try? Ano gusto mong kainin? What? Where? This one? This one? This one? Or this one? This one? You wanna try it again? Yes. Wala ka naman kinain. Sarap. Next one that we're going to try is this one. No, you can't see my eyes. Can you see my... Oh, I can see. Okay, so we're eating this. I don't know kung ano yung name nito, but I think this is good. It's yummy. Ask si Kiana muna. Kiana, eat. Kiana, here. Hey. OMG. Ako na lang. Ako na lang muna. Wala ka naman kinain. Wow! Masarap. Yummy? Yummy? Okay. Yummy? If I will rate it, it's gonna be what? 8? 8 out of 10. This is 8 out of 10, guys. So let's try another bite. It's so good. Yay! Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Okay. What is that? Next one. No, I think I'm gonna spare this one. Do you wanna eat this? Gusto mo kainin? I know. So, okay, we're gonna save this one for my mother. Okay, so if I'm gonna rate it, this is like 10 out of 10. This is my favorite. It's just so good. I think she doesn't like the feeling. What's with the face?
Mm.
Yummy?
Yummy.
Yummy. Can you say yummy?
Mm.
Yummy. Okay. So she likes this, guys.
Mm.
This is her favorite.
Mm. Okay.
Kainin mo.
Mm.
Yummy? Yummy? Ika. Yummy? Oh, what are you? Ulit? She likes it. Oh my god, look at her. She's so cute.
Bye.
Bye. Like this. Okay, bye-bye.